Hi, I'm Dr. Swarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Can you ovulate twice in a period cycle? Is a very rare occurrence, but sometimes it happens, and there could be a chance of fraternal twins. Let's try to understand how. Typically, a woman ovulates only once in a cycle. So what does that mean? With an increasing follicle stimulating hormone, single egg grows amongst a group of eggs, a single egg grows. And when there is an luteinizing hormone surge, which means that there is an increase in that hormone, the egg ovulates. This is what happens typically. Now, when two eggs ovulate, sometimes two eggs could be growing or two eggs could be getting all the LH signals. They both could have responded. So within 24 hours, the second egg also ovulates, and if the second egg also gets fertilized, then it is called as fraternal twins, as in two eggs and two sperms. Therefore, two different kinds of twins. It's not maternal twins where a single embryo splits into two. This is what happens when there are two eggs ovulating. Now, how could this be possible? There could be many reasons. One could be fertility treatment. When you are undergoing fertility treatment, you could be on clomiphene citrate, letrozole, gonadotropins. These are all ovulation inducers. Think of them like medications which make the eggs grow and makes the egg gets released, come into the tubes. Now, while we have only one egg ovulating every cycle, with these medications, more than 2 or 3 may also ovulate. This is why with fertility medications, this is a condition. With genetics also, this could be an issue. There could be a family issue which is going on from generations where there are twins because of two eggs ovulating. Age also could be a factor. If you're 35 to 40, with increasing FSH, there could be a possibility that eggs respond to this high FSH and two eggs might ovulate. Diet and hormonal imbalance could also be an issue. With increasing estrogen levels in the body, the number of eggs which are responding to this increasing estrogen also increase, and therefore 1 or 2 extra eggs also might ovulate. So this is why sometimes, very rarely, two eggs ovulate within a cycle, and there could be a possibility of you having fraternal twins. It's very rare, therefore banking on it for pregnancy is not a good idea. Always look forward to only one egg that might be released 15 days before your periods. If you wish to understand more about this and want to plan pregnancy, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.
A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.